Hello, welcome back to Plasticity Live. In this episode, we're gonna take a look at Plasticity version 1.2. And in this version, we have a new tool. We have a lot of tools and capabilities. The one that I really like is this bridge curve. And with this bridge curve, you can easily make this type of arms if you are doing a robot, or make like a quick pipe. So I'll start from scratch just to demonstrate. So if you, in the past, if you want to connect two curve together, it's kind of slightly tricky. Oftentimes you want to bridge this and this, you probably want to do lofting, or you want to connect it using line. But if you want to have like a curve going from one to the others, now we have this bridge curve, and we can select 2 points. You can see they are connected, right? But they're, the direction might be slightly wrong. Okay, that's probably what you want, because we have two curve before, and we want to connect the top. So we can do that sort of thing easily now. Let me show you again. So bottom and bottom, the curve need to be flipped or something, so you need to control the directions. Now this seems to be correct. If you want it to be rounded, you can also go, G0. You can control this G, and then I believe you can also make it rounded corner. Oh no, you can adjust the weighting. While to make this rounded, there's another, what was the other tool? But I forgot. In this case, I just want to demonstrate this bridge curve. So once you do that, we have a full connected curve, and we can just extrude. Okay, so that's pretty much it. But I just want to show you, okay, another example. If we actually, let's say I delete that. If you want to make like a robot, like I showed you before, maybe 2 legs robot. Yeah, let's say we create a cylinder on this guy like that. Can bring this up. Let's make another cylinder over here, and we want to connect these two using the bridge curve. We can apparently do that. Just select 2 points on the center of the cylinder, and then bam, just like that, we have this bridge between 2 points. And after we do that, we can simply use pipe and enlarge this so they're connected, and we can select all of this and maybe join them, Q, and then it's gonna be boolean into a single solid as usual. And you can play around with this, make it rounded. Yeah, you know the drill. This is you can still model things like like a box modeling type of thing, where you have like corner like this, and just you make it rounded, just like if you are doing it inside Blender. But in this version of Plasticity, I believe the curve workflow has been improved. The NURBS workflow, if you imagine like a car with a lot of curve, and you want to create surface. So the surface modeling has been improved a lot, on top of the solid modeling that we have over here. So just save this as anti-robot. I call this anti-robot because maybe if we extrude that, I don't know, Let's just let's create something here at the back. Push it. Yeah, let's say the auntie have big hair like this, and we want that to also make a pipe behind her, going vertically. We can, okay, let's use a circle, for example. I make this circle, which is a curve that's flat. That's why you have this blue thing. We can shift D, and this is like two curve with the center, right? So we can again use the bridge curve between the two holes. Okay, let me hide the solid. Bridge curve, center to center. Oh, wait, is that a bug? Center? No, it doesn't like it. Maybe I need to turn on X-ray mode. Ah, okay, that's really weird. Yeah, I think I might actually find some kind of bugs. Let's try again. Okay, let's center circle, draw face. Oh, I know why. I know why. Maybe in this case it's better to create like a cylinder, and the cylinder is easier to connect using bridge. Okay, it's really weird. So it doesn't connect between the two circle. Anyhow, let's select the G3, and I wonder if the distension curve can be controlled a little bit more. I want it to be more like a pipe. Nope, cannot do it. Okay, just select that, then make a pipe. Okay, maybe this robot have this type of pipe behind it. Control 2, make it rounded. Oh, actually I just want this part. To be rounded. One, two, three. Okay, this guy is a solid. Just move it over there. The rest of them is like a curve I can hide. Select everything and then QQ, and okay. This, so we actually have draft face and match face feature as well. I haven't checked that out. So there's a couple of new tools. I might check that a little bit later. Okay, so we have this. Maybe mirror it. Mirror. Okay, Q. Connect everything. I like kind of like designing all type of robots using plasticity. You know, like a really simple one, but yeah, like a concept type of robots. Maybe this front part. Oh, push this in. So I'm holding options and then so I'm selecting that edge. I can make that rounded. Should build some kind of wheels. In this case, let's I'm still curious with a bridge curve, what else we can do. Like, let's make another circle. Connect it and mirror. Connect it again using bridge. Oh, okay, that's interesting. Bridge center to this guy, center. Okay, the direction. Okay, sometimes you can't see that. Okay, we can use curve array. I believe curve array, that's also handy, but in this case just use pipe again. Select all, connect it again to one solid. Okay, a lot of pipes now going on. If you want to decorate this, maybe Control R, hit tab, just add a bit of detailing. Okay. Mirror it again. I feel like it's probably like missing some kind of legs. If we want to draw a shape anyway, like this type of shape, I think there's many ways to do it. Probably corner box. Can just do the job. This rounded. It's probably not made to be walking, but if I make like some kind of wheels here, I cannot think of ideas how to turn it into wheels. Maybe if I draw a cylinder here, let's make a cut. Probably make this rounded. I can blend. I like how easy to blend things like that inside Plasticity. Maybe this one, hard edge. So far that's that's pretty much what I want to show you really. With the bridge curve you can easily connect yeah, to make that kind of pipe. It's a little bit harder in the previous version, but it's so much easier now. So maybe in the next episode we're gonna take a look at the other things like match face and draft face. I think we have this before, but it doesn't show up as a tool. Yeah, other things, split curve, trim, split curve at points. That's also kind of neat. Split curve at points. So it does add this point that we can combine together. I have to try that. Bridge curve. So we can bridge that and we change the directions, change the G value. Trim. No, the trim is just basically cutting that. It's a bridge curve. So you can have that nice type of curve now. Change the direction. Okay, in this case that's how it should be. Control 2. Yeah, probably for now that's should be enough. So you can see this like I keep saying like a type of anti type of robots that's carrying water to flower the plant maybe. Okay, that's interesting. It's kind of flip. Okay, doesn't matter. So that's a quick look at Plasticity version 1.2. This is a free update if you have like the indie versions 1.2 and you got this bridge curve. I think we can do more, of course, with bridge curve, but that's the simple functionality. Hopefully you find it useful. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.